Okay guys, this is a 2026 Tesla Model Y long range. Present you from Real Deal Auto. 26 have this new front end light. New updated version, they got ambient lighting in it. This thing has got full PPF on the full body, so it's kind of got a matte, but it's all got a paint protection. Now you can tell this thing's only got like 3,000 miles. It is a rebuilt title. Damage was right through here. All fixed up. You can see long range, dual motor, 332 miles, full safe driving capability. You will have to pay for a subscription for it. So these ones do have heated and cooled seats. All your different cameras. Steering wheel controls. There is 2 of these keys. Here is alignment past. You see this does have this little ambient light that goes all the way along there. Pretty cool. Full glass roof, you can see that ambient lighting in the rear too. I think that only comes in the new 26s. There's a little nick in the PPF here, but that's just in the PPF. PPF is paint protection film. Power lift gate. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com. Long range,